we're here with the Kranzle 1622 TS. This unit was released earlier this year with the new addition to the Total Stop and has been one of our top sellers here at the Clean Garage. Let's take a look. All right, let's take a look at the Kranzle 1622 TS unboxing. So this is available now, both online and in store at clean-garage.com. Packaging, we got our hose, our gun, comes with the gun. Talk about that in a minute. Let's make sure it doesn't roll off the table here. And the unit itself. Oh, that's heavy. And instructions. All right, so a couple things. Why a unit like this? This compact design makes it really great if you're mounting it on shelves. Also really good if you're doing any sort of carts or mobile setup for pressure washing. So this base unit comes with a 33-foot Kränzle hose. Comes with the wands. Of course, if you want to upgrade your wands or any sort of foam cannons or anything like that, really easy to do, such as using an NTM premium detail product. It's really standard with the M22 14 millimeter pump outlet, so really easy to upgrade all of that. The Clean Garage is offering 3 different pre-built and discounted detailing packages for the 1622 TS. So we have it available in a 50-foot, a 75, and a 100-foot hose. So check those out. Those are both, again, available online and in store. A couple changes we wanted to go over on the unit itself. And I think the one is really huge. So obviously you'll notice they changed some of the branding, the embossed logos now on the top. They got rid of these blue fins that used to be on this. I think they just for purposes of shipping and damaging, they seem to break off quite a bit. The biggest thing right here, the on-off switch, especially, I don't know if you can see on the back here, if you're mounting these up on a shelf, it was mounted on the top before, it was really hard to get at, really difficult. So mounted it on the side, much easier to turn it off and on. So this runs available on your standard 110 unit, so you don't got to be worried about changing anything out there. Full specs and description and a link to everything below, and hopefully you enjoyed this boxing video. Take care. Available online at clean-garage.
Good clean fun.